Hi everyone, I welcome you to Lecture 8 of our Bosch IGC free training series. A strong health and safety culture is essential for any organization that wants to protect its employees and prevent accidents. However, there are a number of factors that can have a negative impact on health and safety culture of an organization. In this YouTube tutorial, we will discuss some of the most common factors that can damage a health and safety culture of an organization and lead to increased risks of accidents and injuries. Number one, lack of strong safety leadership from management. When management does not prioritize safety, it sends a message to employees that it's not important. This can lead to workers taking shortcuts or ignoring safety procedures. Number two, presence of a blame culture. When employees are afraid to report accidents or near misses because they fear being blamed, they are less likely to do so. This can prevent organizations from identifying and fixing safety hazards. Number three, lack of management commitment to safety. For example, saying one thing and doing another. When management says that they are committed to safety, but their actions don't match their words, it damages employee trust. This can lead to workers feeling like safety is not really important to the organization. Health and safety receiving lower priority than other business issues. When safety is not seen as a core value of the organization, it is more likely to be sacrificed when other priorities arise, such as production deadlines or cost savings. Organizational changes, frequent or poorly communicated change resulting in uncertainty. Frequent or poorly communicated organizational changes can create uncertainty and anxiety among employees, which can make them more likely to make mistakes or take risks. High staff turnover rates, that is, workers do not stay long enough to be influenced. When employees don't stay with an organization long enough to be fully integrated into the safety culture, they are less likely to follow safety procedures or feel like they have a responsibility to report hazards. Lack of resources. For example, few workers due to downsizing and lack of correct equipment. When organizations are understaffed or lack the proper equipment, it can be difficult to maintain safe working conditions. Lack of worker consultations. When employees are not involved in developing and implementing safety procedures, they are less likely to buy into them and follow them. Interpersonal issues, for example, unregulated peer group pressure, bullying, or harassment. A hostile or unsafe work environment can make it difficult for employees to feel comfortable reporting hazards or speaking up about safety concerns. Poor management systems and procedures. Ineffective management systems and procedure can lead to safety hazards such as inadequate training, improper machine guarding, or unsafe work practices. External influences, for example, economic climate resulting in difficult operating conditions. External factors such as economic downturns or increased competition can put pressure on organizations to cut costs, which may lead to shortcuts on safety. Thank you very much for your valuable participation. See you in next lecture. Thank you and take care.